Once upon a time, there lived a family in which there were two real brothers. One was Gundappa and second was Pandappa. One day, they were swimming, so Pandappa got ill in a height.
Oh my God! How sick are you? Are you feeling well? Now I'll try to make a medicine.
Pandappa was so ill that he couldn't say a word. He had it in mind that his parents were doctors.
गुरुप्पा Oh no, Mataji! मैं तो मैंने so much pagan.
In few minutes, Gundappa started collecting stupid things like washing machine, powder, soap, cow dung, and more bad things to make medicine.
Ay Baba, what thing I should add? I'm holding a chakar. Ganda thai
Then Gundappa got an idea of getting more things like spitting 5 years old socks and all of his
underwear. But first, I think I should research. Then only I can get the proper things. Hey, great idea! That if you die, then I'll sell you your all toys.
and in that much time, Pandappa
Was nearly good to God.
Gundappa called Bob, his friend, who was very good in science. He thought that his theory would work her.
Hey Mom, my Chotu Motu Einstein, my brother is in big trouble. Please come at my home. I want to make a medicine to help him.
आओ ये मेडिसिन की तो मैं ठाक के टिके कर डालूंगा. डोंट वरी माय फ्रेंड, आई विल बी देयर इन अ मिनट. मैं ऐसी देखभाल करूंगा कि ठाक के टिके हो ही जाएंगे. आओ.
Bob was coming at Gundappa's home to take care of his brother.
So now you will have to add E is equal to MC square and some chicken pox.
We will try this ready medicine on my neighborhood friend Jack. He is very stupid. He can get anything into his mouth.
ओके, उसकी ठाक के टिके कर दूंगा.
The friend went to Jack's home.
Hey, તમે ફ્રૂટ સાલડ લાવ્યા છો और સ્ટ્રોબેરી મિલ્કશેક? ઓય, ખા લૂંગા, પી લૂંગા, जो भी होगा खा जाऊंगा. Yes, this is strawberry fruit milkshake. Both mixed. Try it. तने गमશે. Okay, I think it will be sweet and खट्टा.
Jack drank that medicine and he started becoming big. And in few seconds, he started getting shrunk and he became an ant. And after that, he was feeling that he has a monster in his stomach.
Sorry, it will be USB drive, not MC square. This time, it will be पक्का work.
Okay, ये last बार. वरना तू मेरा दोस्त नहीं. समझा? He is my brother.
Okay, boss, समझ गया. But I think you said some ja, and logically that will be let's go.
Gundappa slapped him and sent him to complete the medicine properly. After an hour, the medicine was complete and both of them again went to Jack. This time, they also put pink color essence to tell and show him this time milkshake.
आओ, this time मुझे तुम पर पक्का यकीन है. Is it real or not?
Yes, bhai. Yes. This is the real strawberry milkshake.
But this time, they both had a different idea for experimenting the medicine.
But now you'll have to swim in it for some time. Wow, he's done that amazing thing of not doubting on us on the second time, you know?
और ठाक टिक्के कर दूंगा, लेकिन इसकी जरूर आलू टिक्के बन जाएगी.
Jack was swimming in it like it was a jakshi. He was doing it in a very funny and mischievous way to just show his Sherlock Holmes kit. And in the while, the medicine showed it magic. Jack's kit and he turned into a past setting and Jack started speaking.
or not?
So Jack settling had now turned into the past key from present one. This was the sad khatta of the settling change in Jack. He was repeated few things he said. Change in Jack. He was repeating few things he said.
Yes, bro. This time it has worked. So now if we put Pandappa in this water, he'll go back to his normal health. And he will be normal. And he will be playing with us.
So then both of them rushed as quickly as possible to Pandappa.
Can I believe you? Or can I just go to go? Hey bro, I know that you're good at swimming. So you have few minutes in this water. Okay?
Please make it as quick as possible. Oh, cause I am sick, very, very sick.
Both of them ran, took the medicine and put it in the bathtub, and Pandappa started swimming.
Hey, I am now feeling nice. And do you know? This tastes like strawberry milkshake. Did you get it?
Pandappa got well quickly and Gunduppa's all tension had gone. When Bob was leaving, by mistake the potion jar fell into the tub and the Jack came in his Hawali funny costume. So it was observed he wanted to swim. He jumped into their tub and when Gunduppa and Pandappa was stopping him, it was too late. The water started having bubbles and in few minutes Jack came as a gorilla with his costume.
This is funny. Now come out. Don't show that dummy.
Yes. Or are you? Oh, Jesus. He has really become an ancestor because of the medicine.
So this is the dirty work done by Bob. Thank you.
Hello, it is